Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to get your driver's license if you are at the ages between 16 to 18. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to get your driver's course, which I will provide a link in the description, which will give you a 10% off, I think $10 off. So first of all, you gotta use my code. I will provide the link in the description. This is not an advertisement. We just want to make sure that you are getting a coupon. So first of all, you gotta buy the course, which is for the driver's license. You gotta go in and use my code, which I will provide in the link in the description. And then we go in and then we click on enter. And after you enter, it's gonna load. And then let's wait until it loads. It's kind of slow right now, but I wanna teach you guys about how to get the appointment as well. So let's see if it's gonna work. So yeah, it worked now. So the second thing that you want to do is you gotta make sure that you actually want to choose the right course. So if you live in Texas and if you want to get the permit test, which most of you guys are between the ages of 14 to 18, you gotta first click on the choose your course and you gotta get the Texas parent-taught driver's ED. If you are at the ages between 14 to 16, you gotta have the Texas parent-taught driver's ED. But if you are at the age above 16, you should get the Texas adult driver's ED. So this is for the permit, which we will be talking about the permit in this video. You can drive with the permit with your mom, your dad, with the age above 21. With a parent next to you, so you can go ahead and buy the Texas parent-taught driver's ED because this is gonna teach you how to drive. You gotta fill out the forms and do that. So we're gonna go in and Texas ACEable parent-taught driver's ED. Need it. So this course is actually, right now it's $60, but it might go up, so use my code to get the $10 off. So you gotta have the, first of all, you gotta have the parent eligibility. If your mom has a driver's license and if you're over 21, I mean if she is over 21 and if she can drive, then that means that you can have the parent eligibility. And then you gotta have the PTDE package, which is like $20. And this package will literally have the records of you driving, which will prove to the DPS, which will prove that you are working towards your license. Like it will track how many hours you drove and what you are doing with your mom. So your mom is literally like the instructor here. And you can get the ACEable, which you can use my link again, use my code. You can start doing it. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop to finish the full course. So after you do the course, you're gonna get a permit license, not the license itself, but like a small certificate for the license, which you can use to go to a DPS store and you can bring your documents like your US citizenship and other documents to prove that you are a real citizen or not a citizen, doesn't matter. If you have EAD, you can also use that when you are going to the DPS, and you can get your permit at the DPS. And you gotta know the permit checklist, which I should tell you guys that you guys should use the permit checklist because there's a lot of requirements like your name, your electricity receipt to prove that you live in Texas and more. And you gotta complete your classroom and driving hours after you get your permit. So you gotta go to the road with your mom and whatever you have, and you have to complete the ITTD, which is the Impact Texas Teen Driver's License. If you are below at the age of 18, you must have ITTD. And after that, you can get your driver's license at the DPS, but make sure you fill out those documents well. You should bring your glasses if you don't know how to prove that you can see. My bad for my grammar. And after you finish them, make sure to go to this website and you know what to bring. So you can search up what to bring to DPS for ACEable driver's license test, and you gotta have a road test before you get your license. So you can go and get your license after the road test. They will assign you a small paper for 14 days and your card, which is the actual copy of your physical card, will arrive in like 1 to 2 weeks, and you can get your driver's license at DPS And yeah, so first of all, you gotta have the course, of course, and then you gotta have the PTDE package, and this is for ages between 14 to 16. If you're over 16, I think there's a different course which I will be talking about in my next video, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.